A man named Johann Blake was looking at his idol, Usain Bolt, training one day, and he asked him a question. "How do you run so fast?" But Usain Bolt turned around and said, "I don't know. I just love to run. That's all." That's what it takes. Just love what you do. Welcome back. Today we will discuss an interesting story about Usain Bolt, who is known as the fastest man in the world. You may have heard about him. This great athlete was born on August 21st, 1986. He broke the 100-meter dash world record with a time of 9.58 seconds at the 14th EAAF World Championships in Berlin, Germany, on August 16, 2009. The International Association of Athletics Federations elevated his status from a rising star to that of a superstar. He won 3 Olympic gold medals at the Beijing Olympics in 2008, becoming only the second person to hold all 3 sprint titles at once. In this video, I will share the secret of how Usain Bolt became so successful. I'm sure you've heard some inspiring stories before, but trust me, this one is on another level. We will look into this amazing and motivating story to understand how anyone can become successful if they set their minds to it. So stick with me till the end. While reflecting on his accomplishments, Usain himself stated, "When I came out of the blocks, I knew I had it. After that, I could hear the crowd going wild, but I couldn't hear anything else because I was so focused." As a child, Bolt was not particularly fast, but after he started training, he became very fast indeed. At the age of 14, he was clocked running a 200-meter race in 22.04 seconds. His coach was impressed by his potential and predicted that he would set a world record by the age of 18. However, many people laughed at him, thinking it was impossible for Bolt to break any world records. But Bolt proved them wrong by winning several championships. He was born in Jamaica and grew up in a rural village called Sherwood Content. From an early age, Bolt displayed exceptional talent in sports. While attending William Knibb High School, he excelled in cricket and football. However, it was while participating in a school athletics event at the age of 12 that his track coach recognized his raw, natural ability and potential. Impressed by Bolt's sprinting speed over a 200-meter distance, the coach took him under his wing and began working closely with him. Although initially starting with a basic routine of jogging, high knees, and other drills, Bolt's dedication and commitment were evident from the beginning. Within just 2 years, under his coach's guidance, Bolt's sprinting abilities had significantly improved. His hard work paid off when he won the 2002 Caribbean Under-17 Championships in the 200-meter dash, clocking an impressive time of 21.81 seconds. This victory marked a turning point in his career, propelling him onto the international stage and setting the foundation for his future success. At the age of 15, Bolt shattered expectations by winning the 2003 World Youth Championships held in Sherbrooke, Canada. Competing against older athletes, he triumphed in the 200 meters with a remarkable time of 21.73 seconds, surpassing the previous best of 21.81 seconds set by American athlete Wallace Spearman. This achievement made headlines and established Bolt as a rising star in the world of athletics. The International Association of Athletics Federations, IAAF, recognized Bolt's exceptional talent and awarded him the World Youth Championship title, cementing his status as one of the top young sprinters globally. On August 11, 2008, Usain Bolt made history at the Beijing Olympics by becoming the first person to win both the 100-meter and 200-meter races in under 9.7 seconds and 19:30, respectively. His accomplishment left spectators in awe as he dominated the track like never before. With his signature lightning-fast speed, Bolt not only won gold medals in these events, but also shattered world records, etching his name in the annals of sporting history. Despite facing stiff competition, Bolt's performance was nothing short of spectacular. In the 100-meter final, he crossed the finish line in a jaw-dropping time of 9.69 seconds, breaking the previous world record of 9.72 seconds set by American sprinter Tyson Gay at the 2009 World Championships. Similarly, in the 200-meter final, Bolt showcased his dominance by stopping the clock at 19:30, obliterating the existing world record of 19:32 seconds held by American Michael Johnson since the 1996 Atlanta Olympics. But Bolt's achievements didn't stop there. In the relay event, he anchored Jamaica's 4x100-meter team to victory, further solidifying his status as a sprinting legend. His incredible speed and powerful strides propelled Jamaica to a gold medal in this event as well. Bolt's performance in Beijing was nothing short of mesmerizing. His effortless stride, lightning-fast acceleration, and unmatched top speed left spectators in awe. It was as if he were a superhero of the track, gliding past his competitors with ease. The Jamaican sprinter has amassed numerous awards and accolades throughout his illustrious career. One of his most notable achievements is being named the world's fastest man, thanks to his record-breaking 100-meter dash in Berlin in 2009. With a time of 9.58 seconds, he etched his name in the Guinness Book of World Records. Bolt's dominance in athletics has also earned him numerous honorary doctorates from universities worldwide. His contributions to the sport have been recognized with prestigious awards such as the BBC Overseas Sports Personality of the Year in 2008 and 2009, as well as the Loris World Sports Award for Sportsman of the Year in 2010. In addition to his athletic prowess, Bolt has been honored with Jamaica's highest award, the Order of Merit, for his outstanding achievements and contributions to Jamaican culture. His impact extends beyond the world of athletics, having received the key to the City of London in 2012 in recognition of his efforts in promoting sports. Notably, Bolt was selected as a torchbearer for the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, carrying the Olympic torch through Manchester. His influence and popularity have made him a global icon, gracing the covers of countless magazines and endorsing numerous brands. Despite retiring from professional sprinting in 2017, Bolt's legacy continues to inspire athletes and spectators alike. His name remains synonymous with speed and excellence, and his achievements are celebrated worldwide. Truly, Usain Bolt's impact on the world of athletics and popular culture is immeasurable. His accomplishments, awards, and global recognition serve as a testament to his extraordinary talent and dedication. Now let's see what some of the best life lessons learned from Usain Bolt are. Lesson number 1, passion. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from hard work, perseverance, and most importantly, passion. Without passion, you cannot succeed in anything. So find something that you love doing and pursue it with all your heart. Lesson number 2, patience. Things won't always happen overnight. Sometimes you have to wait for your time to come. But if you keep working hard and stay patient, eventually your time will come and you will succeed. Lesson 3, never give up. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but if you want to achieve your dreams, you must never give up. Keep pushing yourself even when you feel like you can't. And remember that the only way to success is through hard work and dedication. Lesson number 4, focus on your goals. If you want to achieve something big, you need to focus on your goals. Setbacks are bound to happen, but don't let them distract you from your main objective. Always remember why you started in the first place and use that motivation to push through any obstacles. Lesson number 5, work hard. Nothing in life is easy, and success requires hard work. Don't be afraid to put in the effort and make sacrifices to achieve your goals. Remember, hard work pays off. Lesson number 6, be positive. A positive attitude can make all the difference. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and never give up in the face of challenges. Your mindset can either help you or hinder you from achieving your goals. So always try to stay positive. Lesson number 7, train your body and mind. To become the best version of yourself, you need to train not just your body, but also your mind. Develop a strong mental game and learn how to manage stress and pressure. This will help you perform at your best when it matters most. Lesson number 8. Learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, but it's up to you to decide whether to dwell on them or learn from them. Mistakes are inevitable, but they should never hold you back. Instead, use your mistakes as opportunities to grow and improve. So, these are the 8 best life lessons we can learn from Usain Bolt. Now, what are your thoughts on this amazing story? What did you learn from it? Also, if you like the story, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.